Hi you guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me on this walk. We're going to talk about today the benefits of yoga. So the benefits of yoga, we're going to talk about 3. I actually have found over 30 benefits of yoga, and I will put a link in the description below and just in case you want to see that. All right, so we're going to talk about what I have experienced for benefits, and we also are going to talk about the ones that I think are most fascinating, which are 3 of them. All right, so for the first one, it is a better quality of life. So there was a large group of seniors that they did a study on, and they did yoga with an yoga instructor for 3 months. And they found out that they had a better quality of life, a better attitude. They seemed to be better. They were more active. They were just good all around. You know, mentally, physically, and spiritually, they seemed better. All right, so the second one I want to touch base on is it helps with inflammation. It helps with diabetes, stretching, doing the poses. I know somebody who had all their family members had diabetes, and then their doctor told them, you're going to get diabetes. And then she goes, no, I'm not. And she goes walking every single day for at least a mile, and she doesn't have diabetes. She's the only one in her family who does not have diabetes. So it's important to stay active. You don't have to do yoga, but that is a benefit of doing yoga as well. And the third one is migraines. Now, I have vestibular migraines, and one day I had it really bad, and I used yoga with Adrian, and it really helped me. It doesn't always help, but if you keep up with it, you do it more often, or you feel like it's coming on, you can do certain poses, and it will help it prevent it or keep it at bay, basically. And did you know that 1 in 7 Americans have migraine problems? All right. Thank you for subscribing. Please share, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.